I've worked in construction for 40 years. I am, and always will be, LiUNA.
Construction is one of the most stable industries in today's economy. There's plenty of opportunity, so come and learn at the LiUNA Local 183 Training Center. It's the right place to start. If you're thinking about your future, you can learn a skilled trade through hands-on training and classroom training. LiUNA Local 183 Training Center is excellence in training. All apprenticeship programs are registered with the Ontario Ministry of Training Colleges and Universities. Become an apprentice and learn new skills which will open the doors to a rewarding career. Visit 183training.com.
I just started my training, and I am LiUNA.
Hi Mark, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Thank you, thank you. Every day I see you, you are loving, you are happy, and you do some every time you're busy. What you do now? Just tell me.
Lots of things, I guess. I play drums every day, trumpet. I paint. I also do any computer-related projects.
Yeah, I see you have very nice paint. You for paint you go school or you're just learning yourself?
No, I went to school when I was 9 years old. It was a really good painter from Moscow, Russia. Really talented painter. He can paint any style absolutely, from abstract to realist, anything absolutely.
Okay, that's good. How many years old you come here, Canada?
Canada, I was 6 years old.
6 years old.
Yeah.
Oh, you come early, huh?
Yeah.
You born born here. You know that's why your language don't have any accent. You're like father. My accent and your father accent. I am speak the Kurdish English. Your father speak the Polish, Russian, and little bit English.
Yeah.
Now, how you started with music? I know you like trumpet. You play with music. How you take it with your father or just you like it?
Music, it's something, I guess it's opened up for me. Since I was 5, I already had pretty good hearing. So I could hear well. Any mistakes, I would sing to songs. And then secondly, I think it's more like something in your blood. It's like you're born with it. It's like sometimes you can learn music, but you're not like talented. Like when it's art or music, something has to come from the heart too.
You're right.
Because you have to feel it in your soul when you're playing any type of music.
If you play music, what you feeling? How do you go to your feeling?
I feel really excellent after because, again, my soul boosts up, my energy up all the time, and I feel good. Even physically, good, I feel really good.
Yeah. How many years old you are? You see, you are not like the other your friend. Every friend go to play the football. What you think about this? After how it changed your life?
Well, grade 3, I saw like I couldn't play sports or do those things. That's why I found out that it's not just about sports. If that's not like your path, there's always music and art, which I went to.
You think like everybody have to be some problem, but he can find it, figure out what he can do with. What he can do with life go to better. If you cry, you say what I am like that, why I am here, why I am not like my friend, you can go anywhere. No? How you said like your friend, like have many people in the world like you, but have the different situation. Some people can see, some people doesn't have hand. And actually some kids have to work, lost something with body in the world. What you like say for this type of kid, your friend?
I would say first of all to never give up. That's absolutely important. In any situation, doesn't matter, hard, easy, you can't give up, never. Secondly, always be optimistic. Look at life from an optimistic point of view. So like you don't want to say anything like, oh, because I'm disabled, I can't do this, I'm not needed in the society. You have to think that, how can I show myself to the society in a way that people haven't seen me? That's what I will do.
That's what you do, and you try best. Now you make a trumpet, and you perfect with computer too. The many kids your age, you are 22.
23.
23 years old. Many kids is just don't have any problem, but just play the game. But I see you can make it website, you can make it design, you can make it logo, you make it many things. What is the between your age and the other age? You are 23. You are started with 15, 14 years old. You can, every time you are at home, maybe mostly, and after, before you go to school, I know you finish the school, but after you at home, you can play game 24 seconds, but you don't do it. You go to music, you go to computer, do it something, you painting. What is the difference? Why you choose this road?
Well, because in a way, games, like, I don't know how you can use them in real life, for example. Like, I understand if it's games like logical, chess, checkers, okay, yes. You're training your brain to do lots of actions, which computer don't train. It's more for relaxing. So I don't see it's bad. Sometimes you can play, as long as it's not your whole day. Yes, it has to be slow. And at the same time, it also depends, not even an age, but character. Some people, like, because for them it's hard to do something, for them it's easier to play video games. Because then they get rid of all their problems.
Yeah. You give me something, I have to give my friend, I have to use it with your this video too. I see you go to many where, you go to like, you play drum with many people have it. You go to concert, you go to many where. What you doing there? How you go there? How you magic there? How the people say if see you do it great music?
They're usually most of the time amazed in a way. Because like when I go to see a jazz concert, like Herbie Hancock or something like that, really famous jazz pianist, adults always come to me and they're saying, aren't you too young for this music? And I'm saying, I love the music, I'm born with it, you know?
And?
And when I play, they're all surprised how it's possible to play like that. Even doesn't matter, I have conditions, like I can't hold my trumpet, and I still manage to find a way to play. Then doesn't matter where I go, people are always happy and tell me, you're such an amazing kid, you can play so many things, and that your disability doesn't stop you from doing it.
Yeah, disability doesn't stop anything for you do it.
Yeah.
Actually, disability may be open road for different culture,
Yeah.
for different art, for different music, or for many idea. Like I know you can play the movie too, you can be artist too.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. Maybe you can rhyme with movie, but you can play with movie. This is very important. I like you tell the young people something. Tell the young people have to see road, but good road, not bad road. You know, is some light road have to dark. If you go there, you can't see anything. You don't know what happened with you and your life and what affect your family. And the other road, an open road, have the light, have the sun. If you go this road, for you good, for your friend good, for your family good. What you have to say for young people, new generation, what have to do, take it good road?
Well, to take the good road, my advice would be to look at life in a way that if someone tells you, okay, you can't do this, you won't be talented, you won't be anything, don't listen to them. You have to listen to what your heart says. If your heart thinks that, okay, I'm gonna be good at this, and I have to be, and I have a dream, you have to follow the dream. Don't get rid of the dream. Always follow your dream. Doesn't
Dream,
matter where
for every people is dream very important, no?
Yeah.
Because I am, I think before I am not writer, but I asked my friend, honestly, I take it some situation, I have to write. Everybody love me. Nobody believe me. Nobody believe me because everybody know I hate write or read. Doesn't matter. But this is be my dream. I do it.
Yeah.
Now you said, you young people, you have to believe yourself first.
Yes.
You have to try. You have to like yourself.
Yes. Absolutely.
If you don't like yourself, you don't like anybody.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah.
Okay. Last question. What you say have for Mitani TV?
What I have for Tiny TV?
Yes. You are now boss Mitani TV. You do it for his website. His website.
Right now I'm working on 2 websites for Mitani. One's C News and the other one's for Mitani TV.
And you have to work another one. Me TV.
And Me
no,
TV,
No,
yes,
sorry.
it's an additional
TV Me.
Yeah.
And another show. Another lady show and another show, Iliada show.
Yes.
Yeah,
Absolutely. Yeah.
You have to work in the future every time together.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, my
You're
friend.
welcome.
You have best heart. You
Thank
and
you
your
very much.
mom, your dad. Thank you, huh?
Yeah.
And see you next time.
Absolutely.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
song, my friend. I said welcome. Thank you for you open your house, Sergey Kuritik. How are you? Everything is good?
Yeah, everything okay.
Yeah. You have a beautiful son, Mark. As honestly, I know your wife and your heart very, very big. And you give to your life your son and your make it a happy family. This is very important. First you see your son is something got wrong or not like the other people. What you think?
That life is continuing. We have to live whatever we have. We have enjoy life, and he too, exactly. We started to continue to help like this problem, like to fix this problem, something like and a mental and a physical, because from beginning he was like with special swimming, like deep under the water. It's method of Cherkovsky. From beginning, babies they swimming in a swimming pool, and then jumping in the water and swimming. And with him, because he very bad condition from beginning had, and we started to do this, and we fixed this problem. He was in normal condition from beginning.
If you something happen, every people take it angry and swear and go to do why every time why me, why not somebody. This situation if come for any family he can become no family. What you say for family, what you have to say make it life is better.
Yeah, don't pay attention what we have as we have, and if they any deep depression from this is nothing help. We have to find something that help you to live. Right? If you will, oh, my life is no good or something. No, my life is good because I have life, first of all.
Yeah,
everybody has life, right?
Yeah.
How you have problem, you take this problem and try to solve this problem. How can you do? You have to do everything for this. This maybe not 100%, maybe this will 10%, but you do something. It's sense of life, maybe. I think so.
Yeah.
Anything, it doesn't matter, health or job or yours.
How many years old you started with music?
Oh, from 7 years old.
7 years old.
Right now I have 59. That's right, 52 years experience.
52 years experience in music. You work with professional music, or you have another job or not?
No, right now actually I had temporary, because any immigration you have to survive, you protect your family, and you pick up any job. I've been working in a factory, different, like a superintendent. But right now, this time I'm working only like a musician.
This time you just for musician.
Yeah.
I know. As actually, I like talk with your wife about this immigration station. I think first the immigration doesn't like give you permit. You leave the Canada for your kids. Don't help you. You take it very hard time. I think.
No. Different. My wife know more in this because all immigration is on first. I'm working as a but the brain is my wife.
Brain is your wife. That's very good situation. Thank you so much. You open your house. You open your heart. And now I have to talk with my best friend, and he's my friend. He find me another friend, is Alex. Alex be friend. And now what you told about Mars for the my quest? What you said about Mars? Who's the Mars?
No, I'm proud of him. He is First of all, he's soldier. Never he given down. Only up. He painting. He playing any music kind, instrument, trumpet, drums, percussions. He really positive person. His heart is open. If some help, he always he help. No problem. He like a old brother, trying to help his little brother.
He tried to help little brother too, huh?
Yeah.
That's good. He tried help me too. Honestly, he tried help me too.
His nature like this. He help, to be helpful.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much again. Hello everybody, another day, another good day, because I am with houses Mark, I can see if I don't have a glass, Mars Kuritik. Yes, Mark Kuritik, yeah. Mars Kuritik. Thank you open your house. I come here, I see the house work, house the play, and a very big heart family. Actually, his mom not here, but your mom have very big heart. You are Alex. You are the Mark father friend.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
Yes, so.
This is your friend Sergey.
Yeah.
How many years you do it? You play the guitar?
Yeah, I started quite late in life, so I'm 47 now. So I started when I was 13, and Sergey and myself, we kind of knew each other for a long time, and then I always knew that Mark is, wonderful child of his, and because Mark is very talented, actually. Like, music is one thing, but so many different things he can do, starting from computer programming and then the painting and what else, Mark? You do? You do write any poems? Maybe not, but other than that, a wonderful, amazing musician. And by the way,
Mark make it beautiful the painting.
Yes,
and Mark made a website.
Yeah.
Mark play the guitar.
Yeah.
The other one play the
Trumpet.
saxophone,
Trumpet.
trumpet.
Yeah.
And they have
Percussion,
many
yes.
things. Yeah, just got like take it something, but give them many things.
Yeah, and I remember the time when we first met. Actually, that was really amazing feeling, because I walked in the room and Mark was there, and it felt like the sun actually came down. It's like such a warmth, wonderful energy. What that young gentleman meets, actually, it's really inspiring. And then Sergey is my partner in crime, as I call it, right? So we have this band and project going on, which we call Grove Presidents, but it's another story altogether. And we play with Mark, from time to time, because it's such a joy and pleasure and wonderful opportunity to, musicians, we mingle, right? We're doing different things, and then we enjoying each other's company, right?
Yeah.
So that's what's true blessing, to be involved in this wonderful family as a friend and musical colleague. And then also, we're having our biggest fun in the universe playing with Mark in particular whenever it happens, and it's always a blessing, which I really appreciate.
Yeah, and first I see the Mark. Alexei is you start with music. You great playlist. How you feeling about music?
Well, music actually it's my blessing, in all fairness, because to survive this world in general, right? A lot of people, they come to different stimulants, right? And sometimes they not can be that excellent, like talking about alcohol and weed, and different things, right? But for me, music is actually something which really feeds my soul. Music is not the only thing that I'm doing here in Canada, because we all need to provide, for our families and stuff. And So I also happen to be a computer programmer, right? So that's kind of pays the bills. And then I will never
Computer program give your bills, but your first job is music.
Yeah, I've been professionally trained in the country I came from, which is my native Belarus, and I enjoyed quite good popularity there, being a part of a quite famous band there for a short time, and then also, you know, mingling with some different projects and different musicians, right? So in all fairness, here I'm so blessed that I have company of Mark and Sergey and, you know, different guys who actually really helped me to feed my soul, because we all it's a wonderful energy exchange when music happens, and people you know, people who come to our shows and they visit, and they really have fun, and hopefully it's not that horrible what we do on stage, right? So that they can really enjoy the moment. So yeah, in all fairness, music is something which is my calling. I truly believe in it, and I'm doing everything possible to fit in into the community of musicians, as well as the, you know, community work, because sometimes we do charitable, you know, gigs and stuff. So it's not only about the money, but more to give something back to the community, because I truly believe in giving as a, you know, primary wonderful thing to do, and then doing that we actually get way more back. So this is the way it works.
Doesn't matter if you help somebody, if you can help, doesn't matter you can take it back or not. Its problem is if you can help people and help people.
Yeah.
Like I think about Mark. Just Mark, I meet him short time, but his heart very big heart.
Oh yes.
I see the mom, he's very big heart too. His dad is perfect. He's help his son. He's do something.
They're wonderful people.
And wonderful people. And his mom just not work for himself. He live it himself. He just work with his kids, his family, and she's believe. She's believe have to everything be the good.
Right.
This is very important. I tell the people, just believe yourself. You have to do it. You can do it is better every time.
Yeah, it's true.
Leave it pathway. Maybe you can do it bad. Maybe you can do it less, but every day new day.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Every day you have to take in new energy.
Yeah. And we should be thankful for that, because
exactly.
Because as I remember, one of colleagues of mine at work at you know, with my computer business, I actually asked him a question. I said, like, how are you this morning? He goes like, well, woke up this morning, still realized that I'm breathing, and by itself is a great piece of news, right? And this is the way I also look at things, and I'm thankful for wonderful people, you know, who come across. For some reason, you know, I don't believe in accidents. I believe that people meet people for a good reason, and to be part of something wonderful as playing music with Mark and Sergey, and, you know, as I mentioned before, so many different musicians. We are so much blessed that we can, you know, I believe in help. I don't believe in competition. I believe that people should be as much helpful as they can be. And then all the rest will be taken by the divine, you know, in that respect. And it doesn't matter who is, you know, the God in that particular case, right? It's all one. It's all kind of handled there, and I believe in it. So yeah, and altogether, you know, I really appreciate the opportunity to talk to you guys, by the way, and all the best in your wonderful channel, which you know.
Thank you so much. You are the great too. Now, Mark, you found me another friend, Alex, as a good friend, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, that's good.
Thank you very much.
And nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And thank you. Watch every time my TV.
Absolutely.
And I have to take it another time. You have to bring the another singer or dancing. Work together.
We'll do it. We'll do
Okay.
it. Absolutely.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Have a great day.
And you too, sir. Absolutely. Thank you very much.
I've worked in construction for 40 years. I am, and always will be, LiUNA.
Construction is one of the most stable industries in today's economy. There's plenty of opportunity, so come and learn at the LiUNA Local 183 Training Center. It's the right place to start. If you're thinking about your future, you can learn a skilled trade through hands-on training and classroom training. LiUNA Local 183 Training Center is excellence in training. All apprenticeship programs are registered with the Ontario Ministry of Training Colleges and Universities. Become an apprentice and learn new skills which will open the doors to a rewarding career. Visit 183training.com.
I am an artist. I just started my training, and I am LiUNA.
worked in construction for 40 years. I am and always will be LiUNA.
Construction is one of the most stable industries in today's economy. There's plenty of opportunity, so come and learn at the LiUNA Local 183 Training Center. It's the right place to start. If you're thinking about your future, you can learn a skilled trade through hands-on training and classroom training. LiUNA Local 183 Training Center is excellence in training. All apprenticeship programs are registered with the Ontario Ministry of Training Colleges and Universities. Become an apprentice and learn new skills which will open the doors to a rewarding career. Visit 183training.com.
I just started my training, and I am LiUNA.
Troya is a Canadian manufacturer of PVC windows and doors. Troya cares about customer satisfaction in Canada standards. Troya has been established on principles of honesty and integrity. Our sales office, manufacturing facility, and showroom are located in Woodbridge, Ontario. We have a friendly and over 15 years of international experienced staff. We are a quality-focused, customer-centered establishment and strive to always improve our work. We have quality workmanship, superior knowledge, and competitive prices. We produce elegant, cozy, solid Canadian design system of windows and doors that will keep you and your family safe and comfortable in every weather condition. Our products help your home to become more environment friendly and energy efficient. Our installations are carried out by a fully trained staff to the highest professional standards. Our professional services are a real focus on customer satisfaction. Your satisfaction is our biggest asset. Troya Windows and Doors. TroyaWindows.com. 905-856-9493.